Hi, my name is Chris Antís, a personal chef with the Chef For You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at the Shared Commercial Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make some pico de gallo by putting it in your food processor. Now it's basically 4 ingredients: some cilantro, some onion, and tomato. And your tomato and your onions are your biggest parts. So we're going to add some of that, equal parts, about a half a cup of each in here. And then we're going to put about a good tablespoon of some chopped cilantro, and then we're adding just a little bit of this jalapenos. And you can of course season that how you would like it. If you like it good and spicy, you can certainly add more. Put the lid on. Just pulse it a couple times. Just double check it here, make sure we scrape it down so we can get it all uniform. We'll finish it off. And voila! Some beautiful pico de gallo in a food processor.